Welcome to An Academy's YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add shapes in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're designing a logo, creating a social media graphic, or enhancing a presentation, shapes provide structure, balance, and creativity to your design. For more design-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to request any particular videos or tutorials, just comment below. To start, let's talk about the Shape tool. You'll find it here in the Tools panel. Photoshop gives you a bunch of shape options. I'm going to select the Rectangle tool and click and drag it on the canvas to create this shape. With the shape selected, go to the Properties panel on your right to explore various options for fill and stroke stylization. You can use the fill option with different swatches of colors, gradients, and even cool patterns. The stroke option lets you adjust the thickness and style of the outline of your shape. Click the stroke type drop-down to explore dots and dashes. This panel can also help with scaling your shape with precise width and height. If you want to know more about customizing these shapes, let us know in the comments below. Now I have this design code for my workspace, in which I'll be adding shapes to make it more visually appealing. Select the background layer and hover over the Shapes tool menu to choose a shape. Let's select a circle. Click and draw holding the Shift key. Then choose a color of your choice for the shape. I have my color set in my library. If you want to know how to add colors to your Adobe's color library, comment below. Now let's get back to the tool and pick another shape. Make sure to unselect the previous layer by clicking anywhere on the canvas. This will separate both the layers for easy modifications. I'll repeat the same steps to draw and fill the shapes. Now for the last two shapes, I want them to be on the top of the text, for which I'll click on the text layer on the Layers panel and then proceed ahead to the Shape menu. And that's it. You now know how to add and adjust shapes in Photoshop like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to An Academy's YouTube channel for more design-related content. Happy designing!